home to a dazzling array of natural wonders. Our planet is a place of remarkable beauty that never ceases to amaze. From the rolling savannas of Africa to the rugged peaks of the Himalayas, our planet is a tapestry of breathtaking landscapes and fascinating creatures. In this video, we invite you to embark on a journey of discovery as we take you on a visual tour of our home planet's most awe-inspiring sights. Whether you're a nature lover, an adventurer, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of the world around us, this video is sure to leave you spellbound. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready to explore the wonders of our home, planet Earth. Our oceans cover over 70% of the planet's surface and are home to a diverse array of marine life. From colorful coral reefs to majestic whales, the ocean is a treasure trove of beauty and wonder. Mountains are majestic and awe-inspiring natural wonders that can take your breath away. From the rugged peaks of the Himalayas to the lush green slopes of the Rocky Mountains, these stunning vistas offer unparalleled views that leave us in awe. They provide a sense of peace and tranquility that is hard to find in our busy lives, and their grandeur reminds us of the power and beauty of nature. Whether you're an avid hiker or just enjoy the beauty of the outdoors, exploring mountains is an unforgettable experience that should be on everyone's bucket list. Close your eyes and imagine standing at the edge of a vast forest, the fresh scent of pine and earth filling your lungs. As you take in the towering trees, the gentle sway of the leaves, and the sunlight filtering through the branches, you can't help but feel a sense of wonder and awe. Forests are truly nature's masterpiece, a breathtaking tapestry of life and beauty that captivates our hearts and imaginations. From the tranquil calm of a peaceful grove to the wild majesty of a dense jungle, every forest is a unique treasure waiting to be explored and appreciated. Planet Earth is home to an incredible array of wildlife, from tiny insects to massive elephants. These creatures are not only beautiful, but they are also essential to the balance of our planet's ecosystems. is a wonderland of breathtaking landscapes that will leave you in awe. Imagine standing before the vast expanse of a desert, or gazing upon the icy majesty of a glacier. Picture the rush of water as it cascades down a towering waterfall, or the dizzying depths of a majestic canyon. In conclusion, our planet is a breathtakingly beautiful and wondrous place. But with that beauty comes a responsibility to protect and conserve the natural wonders that make it so special. Let's work together to ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the stunning landscapes and awe-inspiring creatures that call our planet home. Thank you for joining us on this celebration of the beauty of planet Earth.